This is a rewarded video test ad. Nice job loading it. I'm going to go fire the reward callback for you.
Hello Master Coding family, and in this tutorial we will continue with the AdMob course. We will learn about the rewarded ads. So what are rewarded ads? Before the previous videos, we have implemented the correct banners and interstitials, and maybe I have missed in the videos to implement the internet permission, but I told you to add the permission in order to fetch data from AdMob servers and display the ad. Anyway, there is, if you run the application, there is an error that tells you that you need to add the internet permission. So don't worry guys, you will add it correctly. Now, I will go to AdMob Console. This is our application and it is ending by 728. This is the AdMob application ID. So the first step is implementing the internet permission. The second step, implementing the metadata inside the manifest also. These steps are included and lectured in deep details in the previous videos. And the third step is adding the ads library inside the build.gradle. So if you need more information about this, you can check the previous videos. So guys, it's very important to make ads and start earning money if your application is making more installs, and if you pay for your application, you need the income for that by making in-app purchases, ads, and other things. Now I will create a second activity. So the user will be rewarded after watching an ad to go to this second screen. So imagine you have the second step, second level courses, whatever you want, and you need the user to have a certain number of rewarded points, or you need to allow him to watch a video, watch an ad before going to this second screen. So there are many apps that use this feature. This is the correct way to implement this rewarded video, and I love this character, this type of ads, because it's not obligatory for the user to watch an ad if he does not want to go to a second screen. So in order to go to second screen, you need to watch an ad if it is loaded correctly. Okay, so this is the second screen. I have added a text view and just telling us that it is the second screen, and this is this is for the users who watched the rewarded video. Okay, so this screen, it will be displayed when the user click an button, anything, or you want to gain points or whatever you want. So this type of ads are very important and they are flexible. Okay, we have designed our second screen. Okay, closing them. And now let's add and configure our the rewarded ads. Okay, so back to our console, we click on this application, we select our application. Okay, we go to add units, add unit, we click on it, and you see guys, we have implemented the previously two ads, banner ads and interstitial ads. And now we will make the reward. So full page ad format that rewards users who choose to view an ad. Okay, here we will type the ad unit name. It is called rewarded ads 2021, and the reward settings. This will decide how much you need to reward the user. So the user will gain 2 points after you reaching watching the video, 3 ads, 3 points after watching an ads. This will it's called the reward settings. Okay, I will make it 1 point. It's very simple to 1 ad, 1 point. Okay, and we have these steps. You see, we have seen this in the previous video, how to implement it, but I will repeat it as a quick recap. Inside the manifest, there is a metadata that we should add them inside the application tags, and we put the value inside it. So we ensure that we have the same, we are on the same app and in the same Google AdMob account. Okay. We go to the reward and implementation guides, and don't miss, we will use this this ID. This is our rewarded ID. There is some warnings that tells us it will be deprecated, and with the version 20 would be a new APIs and something will be changed. Don't worry. For now, we will add the rewarded ad and a string tag. Okay, scroll down. Okay, let me continue with this step. The rewarded ad, I will make an instance of it. Okay, let me scroll up and add here the rewarded ad. Okay, rewarded ads. I will implement the package. Okay, you see guys, this is the package. And we scroll down to the rewarded ads. Now we need to configure the rewarded ads. Don't miss guys that you can download the source code from the resources folder on our Udemy course. So go and enroll in our course and download it. Don't miss to rate us 5 stars on Udemy to support us making new tutorials. And we are going to make this course the biggest on the earth. So don't worry, we are providing maximum, and we are working every day to provide the maximum performance. Okay, I need to copy this, the reward ad.load. I will copy it and I will go underneath this. Okay, I will implement the package here, the rewarded ad callback and non-null and load add error. These are the interfaces and the packages that I need to import them. And I'm just making a very important note. Guys, this number ending with 917 is for testing. So Google will give you in order to test the ads. Our real ad is this number. You can get them from the page that we have created, the rewarded ad. So don't miss, after good testing and successful testing, to change the numbers from the testing to the real ads. Okay, in all types, in banner, in rewarded, interstitial, and any type of ads, don't miss to add your real ad unit IDs. Okay, so the final step here, I need to make an intent that shows us. First I will remove this. You can make it as a request too, but I will make them all in one single add request because I have implemented it before in the banners tutorial. But till now it's good. I can remove it. And as I told you, I'm going to make an intent that takes us and direct us to the second screen, and inside this this button, set on click listener, and in new view on click listener. So I have added the button before. I just make a button, simple button, and this display the reward ads and take me to second screen method would be called. I have made it a long method name because I need to demonstrate how what is the role of this method. Okay, it has two main roles. It will directing us to the second screen and display a rewarded video. Okay, so going to second screen, intent, we're going to use intent, this, and second screen dot class. If you want all these tutorials written and you need to enroll in many coding courses, you can download our master coding application from Play Store. We have helped millions of people to learn coding by our channel, Udemy course, and our application. So don't miss to enroll in our family by subscribing, rating us 5 stars, and downloading our application. Okay, this is the first goal. The second goal is displaying the ad. This is for full screen if you want it. I will copy this, showing the ad section, and I will go and paste it there. Okay, activity, I'm importing them, importing also the packages. And why there are missing of these semicolons, the developers, we have noticed mistakes, 2 mistakes in this website, in Google websites, so and the developer website. So we are smart enough. Yes, just kidding. We need to display also a message. You can show them inside the tag how many points the user will get, or a display message that the user will be earned, and you can get the reward type. So if you look on the on user earned reward method, we have int and string. I will use now the int, the reward amount, and you can see the reward type. So don't worry guys, you can check them again. You see the button that we have added before, go to second screen, it's just a button. I have dragged and dropped. And let me see. Okay, sometimes it may take some time to manipulate and load the ads. So don't worry guys, if you follow our courses and if you followed the tutorial correctly, the ad will be loaded soon. So don't worry. Let me check again. Okay. it's going. Okay. Let me make another build. Okay. Okay.
This is a
now
rewarded
it is
video test ad. Nice job loading it.
working fine.
I'm going to go fire the reward callback for you.
Amazing. So amazing. It's working fine, and it's going to our second screen. So this is for users who watch the rewarded ads only. This is that we have in this video we have learned about the rewarded ads and how to display ads, and as a reward going to another screen or display anything for the user. Don't miss to rate us 5 stars on Udemy, on Play Store, Master Coding application, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Master Coding channel. Thank you guys. See you in next videos. See you in next videos. See you in next videos.